everyone, we're going to arrange books on a shelf, and we want to know how many ways there are to arrange them on a shelf, given that we have 5 different French books and 5 different Spanish books. So if we have to put books of the same language must be grouped together, French on the left and Spanish on the right, then we're going to have, the first way to do it is we're choosing 5 for the permutations. That's for the French. And then for the Spanish, that would be 5, choose 5. That should be a comma here. And so that's going to be 5 factorial times 5 factorial, basically. This would be the Spanish. Or you could just write them out. We have 10 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the French to go on the left, that would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then for the Spanish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 5 factorial times 5 factorial. And that equals 120 times 120, which equals 14,400. Now, if they had said you can have French on the left and Spanish on the right, or you could have had Spanish on the left and French on the right, you would have just taken this number and multiplied it by 2. Okay? Now, the second part here is French and Spanish book must alternate in the grouping. You have to begin with the French book. So if you begin with the French book, you're going to have the French, then the Spanish, then you're going to have 4 left, French, Spanish, then French, Spanish, then French, Spanish, then French, Spanish. And that's going to give you, again, 14,400 arrangements. Now, if they said it doesn't matter which you start with first, French or Spanish, you would have had to multiply this by 2. Okay? And then you would have to multiply this by 2. Okay? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.